Welcome back to WrenchHeadsTuning. For those of you who don't know who I am Joe of Wrench I haven't made a video in 5 months. Get you on a quick update of what's going on, especially with the project car. With that, I'll give you an update with that first. I don't have the car no more. I got rid of it. 2 reasons. Reason number 1 is the car had more rust than what me and Rich thought it had. So we thought the outside it had a few bubbles, but on the outside, but as we further inspected, there was rust on the inside of the car too, and it required a lot more cutting and welding that needed to be done to it. And as you can see, I have no garage, nothing at all, so that was going to require more time on our hands and more time and plus more money than what we had budget for the build. So rust and budget, those are the 2 reasons why I got rid of it. Now, who has the car? A friend of mine's. It was supposed to be a trade. As you saw before, he traded me that for the Mini. Now, this is the story of trading this car, okay? Now, I gave him everything I bought, suspension-wise, sway bar links, all that. I gave him all of it for the Mini. Now, thinking the Mini was in his name, and to find out the Mini was never in his name to begin with. So when he went to go try to get a title for it, he could not get the title because it's not in his name. And to my surprising, he doesn't know who owns the car. So the person he got the car from first never put it in their name originally, and then they gave it to him. So the person who gave him the car don't know the previous owner. So the car is completely useless to me. And now I'm just waiting for him to come and tell a guy to come pick up the car that he gave him. And that's the story of trading the Subaru for the Mini. Now, before I start any other project, I gotta get this out of the driveway. This is a friend of mine's car that I was working on. That will be out soon. And then I gotta finish this minivan. But I do have another project car that hopefully I could get within the next 2 weeks and start working on that one. All right, I am a Subaru person and I always will be. So any project car I really work on is going to be a Subaru. Now, for everyone, yes, the 2013 WRX. Now, there is a lot of stuff that I have to do to this car, as you can see. First is fixing it up. The car is pretty beat up, dings, scratches, paint. Right here, got some rust forming right here. I gotta fix that before it gets bad. Now, new suspension. I got new suspension for it, so I will be putting those on. Another thing that I gotta fix is my whole center console. Basically broke from the back. This part, it's snapped, so everything is pretty much exposed. And then the good old latch for the gas tank and the trunk snapped because due to rust, because they put the latches on the floor, which I think is highly stupid. I don't know why would they do this, but makes sense. But everything on this car is pretty much cosmetic, and I still got to get the power steering column fixed on the car. Now, once I get the project car, another one, you'll see a lot more of me on the videos. Rich has been doing a good job, you know, keeping up with the videos every week. And so I want to try to get back into it and contribute more to the channel and get us up to 1,000 views. No, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 views. So we can start making hopefully a little bit money off this YouTube channel, and you know, have more fun and get more engaged with the subscribers. You know, possibly do some giveaways in the future. And yeah, I think that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe, follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram at WrenchHeadsTuning. If you have anything that you want to say about this video, comment below. Let me know what you think. If you thought it was stupid of me of getting rid of the Impreza, let me know. I ain't gonna lie, I kind of regret it now, because I'm going through this whole situation with this car being useless to me, and I'm waiting to get this other one once I move this out of my area. But it is what it is. So as usual, Wrench Daily.